here to the Abilities Expo because one is it's the place to be. It's where you see amazing people doing amazing things with amazing ideas. The innovation, it's just live. Some of the strongest people you could ever meet, the most resilient people you could ever meet are here. You have veterans, you have moms, you have people of all walks of life that are here, just spreading good energy. So I've been coming for a couple years now, and I'm going to continue to come.
I was hurt in a skiing accident about 6 years ago. I'm a C5 incomplete. I come to the Abilities Expo just to check out what new accessible equipment is out there. I just enjoy going up and down the aisles and seeing the new stuff. My favorite part is just checking out the different events at the expo area. And yeah, I think everybody should come out and see what's out there and what can help them improve their life.
It's not just for people with disabilities, it's for anybody. Everybody knows someone who has a disability or a family member with a disability, or an elderly person in your family who might need something accessible. It's just a place where great minds come together for innovation, and it's amazing.
Came out to hang out with my friends and see the expo and have fun. You should really come. It's quite a fun experience, and meet people, and I personally, this is my first year with the dog, and so I don't know a whole lot. Been meeting some other people who've had a dog a little longer than I have, and learning all kinds of helpful